In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage camera settings in Instagram. First, you're going to click at the top right on this plus icon, click on Reel, and then click at the top right on the settings icon. Here you will find the camera settings. So, for example, if you click on Story, you can manage all of the settings here. For example, if you want to hide your story from people, if you want to close friends, and the replies and all the other settings. And if you go back and go to Reels, you'll see more settings for the Reels, and you'll see here controls. For example, always start on front camera, and many other settings like camera tools. Choose which side to the screen to the screen you want your camera tool bar to be on. So once you finish adjusting these settings, you can click done, and that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.